We offer CoolSculpting at the practice. And what is CoolSculpting? It's a way to freeze those stubborn fat areas to reduce the fat by 20 to 30%. Now, what areas can you treat with CoolSculpting? Probably our most popular areas to treat submental area and the bra fat. Those are our two most common, and really where we see the best results are in those two areas. Now, other areas that are also effective and have great results are the tummy area, inner thighs, and right above the knee. So what does an appointment look like when you come in for CoolSculpting? We really need to do a thorough consultation because we like to do what we call treat to complete. If you get online and patients say, oh, CoolSculpting was not worth it, it's often that they did not do enough treatments. And so you may do one cycle of treatment, you need to do enough areas, and you may have to come back in and get it a second time. That's just the reality of the treatment. Now, you also have the option of having liposuction by a plastic surgeon. If we feel like that is your best option, we will 100% send you out to a plastic surgeon for that consultation. But if you have small areas that are just stubborn fat, you've lost weight, and you just can't get rid of those stubborn areas, CoolSculpting may be a great option for you. So after consultation, and once our team has told you how many cycles you need and how often you need to get those done, you'll go back to our special room that is set up for longer treatments. We have a TV in there, and you can just actually relax while the applications are being done. Now, a cool plate is applied to the skin, and it actually has a little bit of a suction, and that suction pulls that fatty area into the area, and it's going to get a little numb and then start the freezing process. Each cycle can take anywhere from 20 to 40 minutes, and depending on how many cycles you want to do that day depends on how long you're going to be here. We have some patients who are going to be here for a couple hours, some may be here for 4 or 5 hours, and if you're going to be here for that long, we'll definitely provide lunch for you. So between each cycle, we have to actually massage that fatty area. I know this is kind of a weird term to use, but that fatty area looks like butter because it's crystallized fat. So in order for the procedure to be really effective, we have to massage that butter or that crystallized fat so it is taken away by your lymphatic drainage system. Now, once that area is massaged and you have another area to treat, we'll apply the applicator to that area and we'll start all over again in the second area. So like I said, you may be here for a couple hours depending on how many areas you want to do. Oftentimes patients, they have about like 3 hours are their max, and then they'll come back another day for another treatment cycle.